today I'm going to teach you how to do Surya Namaskar. It's a yoga exercise. It keeps us fit, energized, and strong. And you should wear a comfortable dress or clothes for doing this. And you will need to do it with an empty stomach, okay? Not with a full stomach. If you drank something or ate something before you started this exercise, any exercise or yoga meditation, you should do it after 2 hours. And so if you're doing it in evening, you will have to face it in your west side. And if you're doing in morning, you're facing to your east side. Okay? And one more thing, I'm going to tell you this last thing. So when you're doing like this, you have to breathe in. And when your hands are going down to touch your feet, you're breathing out. So while doing this exercise, we are going to keep these things in our mind, brain, and let's do not lose that. So let's get started. So first step, put your hands like this. Your thumb should be in the middle of your chest. Second step, breathe in while you're doing like this. Third step, breathe out when you're doing like this. Fourth step, you're going to keep your right foot behind and your left foot above. Fifth step, like this. And sixth step, go down like this. Your chin should be touching the floor or mat. And seventh step, like this. Your back and your body and your head are going up like this. Rest of the things are going down, like this. Eighth step, like this. And this time, we're going to put our right foot on front and the left foot back, and you breathe in, breathe out when you're touching. And 11th step, like this, breathe in. And finally 12th step, relax. So I hope you understood. Do this along. And this time we're going to use our right foot front, our left foot back. And I'm going to teach you one more time. And this one cycle is going to be completed. Okay? I'm going to teach you. Now this one cycle is completed. So I hope you did this along with me. Hope you understood. And do it. So bye-bye friends. Hope you liked my video. Definitely do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give a like or dislike if you don't like it. And do this along every day, okay? And you can also do it 2 times, one in the morning, one in the evening, okay? So goodbye friends, have